to be successful in any devotional attempt, whether it be chanting japa, reading Shastra, reading Bhagavatam, preaching, cooking and offering for the Lord, or selling books or any particular service, giving class, we have to invoke the memory of Guru, Mangalacharan. Mangala means auspicious and Acharan means worship, Achar. We say in English, Mangalacharan means invocatory prayers. Invocatory prayers is the translation of Mangalacharana. These are always included in the beginning of a book. It begins with, you're invoking the mercy of Sri Guru. Without Sri Guru there is nothing, no success. Guru Kripa Hi Kevalam. Sri Guru is everything, because Guru gives us everything. He gives us life, Chaitana, and He gives us seva, and He gives us prema. He gives us Krishna, because Krishna is eternal living consciousness. And He's the Savior Bhagavan, and we're the Sevak. Is it? Savior Bhagavan means He's the recipient of service, and Sevaka Bhagavan means we're the renderers of service. Prema Shrai, and He is Prem Vishai. So Guru is everything.